Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make rock candy at home easily. To begin, gather your essential materials. You will need 1 cup of water, 2 to 3 cups of granulated sugar, and a clean glass jar. Also, have a wooden skewer or a piece of string ready, along with a clothespin to hold it. Optional items include food coloring and flavorings to personalize your sweet treats. Next, we will create our supersaturated sugar solution. Gently heat 1 cup of water in a saucepan until it is simmering, but not boiling. Gradually add 2 to 3 cups of granulated sugar, stirring continuously until all the sugar is completely dissolved. It is crucial not to boil the mixture, as this can hinder proper crystal growth. Once dissolved, remove it from the heat and let the solution cool entirely. Now, let's prepare for crystal growth. First, dip your wooden skewer or string into the cooled sugar solution, then roll it in a small amount of granulated sugar. This step creates tiny nucleation sites, giving the crystals a starting point. Carefully suspend the prepared skewer into your glass jar, ensuring it hangs freely without touching the bottom or sides. Use a clothespin to secure it in place. Finally, it is time for the magic to happen. Place your jar in a quiet, undisturbed spot where it can sit for several days. You should start to see small crystals forming on your skewer within 24 hours. For larger, more impressive rock candy, allow them to grow for 1 to 2 weeks. Once they reach your desired size, carefully remove them and let them dry completely before enjoying your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.